I am right now at Clear Lake, and it is the police force of Baytown in Harris County. It's kind of weird, and as you see there, the tide is really low. As a matter of fact, that I haven't seen this tide this low in quite a long time. Check it out. The pylons are exposed. The debris on the bottom is exposed, and normally the tide is that high. Notice the growth, the marine growth. It's very unusual, very unusual. Also, the police force is up there. It's Baytown police force. I have never seen Baytown police in Harris County. Normally they run around the opposite side of this inlet. Check this out. How the boat ramp is so exposed. Notice the water line is almost into the parking lot, and sometimes over the parking lot. That is my car. I park up there. Now they did retrieve the sunken boats, but the one by my place is still there. I don't know if you can see it. It's way up there by that building. It's hardly you cannot see it, but it's sunken. So apparently they are maneuvering, exercising on the single engine boat, police boat. Look at the pontoon post, how elevated they are. And the police force practicing. Well, I hope you enjoy it, and come down to Clear Lake, Harris County, Texas. Saludos.